Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to LGS. So today, my absolutely favorite subscription of all time. So y'all heard me say that right. My favorite subscription of all the subscriptions that I get. Lisa's favorite subscription box. My favorite subscription is here. If somebody had said, if you were only allowed to have one subscription a month and you had to cancel everything else, what would it be? It would be this one. It would be my Look Fantastic. So Look Fantastic is my favorite subscription box. Put that in your memos. Y'all know what that's all about. And if you don't know what that's about, go watch my July end of July live so you understand what that's all about. Okay. So Look Fantastic, August, it's here. It's August the 7th. I mean, it's crazy. This box left the UK, I think, on the 4th or 5th. Same time as BoxyCharm, and I have it. I love this box. For those of you who don't know, Look Fantastic is a subscription box from the UK. It is mostly skincare, but they sent out a survey, so I think they're going to try to incorporate some more makeup into it. And I'm in Toronto, Canada, if you're new to my channel. Hey! And so sometimes these brands we cannot even get here in Canada. If you sign up for 12 months, which is what I did, and this is what I love about this company too. You sign up for 12 months. The box costs me between $20 and $21 a month. They do not take the 12 months out of your account, bang, at once. They take it out monthly. So every month, on the first of the month, you're either going to get $20 or $21 in Canada taken out on the first of the month. If you're in the States, I think it's like $16. It is usually deluxe size items, but the deluxe are usually like a good size item. Sometimes you'll get a full size item in here. And again, mostly skincare, but every now and then, usually they put in one makeup item, but you never know, right? I love this box. It's their birthday next month. So I think if you don't get Look Fantastic now, you're going to want to get September because it's their birthday, and usually their birthday box is really dang good. Okay, for those who are asking, on my eyes today, I have Miss Nude Natasha Denona. Yes, the mini. Because you know what? I freaking love Natasha Denona's minis. And I'm going to, we have an anniversary party on Friday. So all this week, I've been playing with my Natasha Denona minis. Try to decide which look I want to use because they do stay on your eyes all day. And I'm going to have a really busy day on Friday. So I want a makeup look that I can do and know that come 10 o'clock that night, the eyeshadow is still going to be on my eyes. That's why I love Miss Natasha Denona. And I can't afford her big eyeshadow palette, so you know what? Get a nude. Okay, inside, and this is what the box looks like. It came with this freshest way to shop, but this is in the UK. I can't use this here in Canada. I will leave my Look Fantastic link down below. I don't get anything for it. I don't think you get any percentage off or anything like that. But if I do happen to find that they have some kind of a special on, I will leave it down below because I'm actually looking to see. Sometimes they have you just sign up for 6 months or 12 months, you'll get an extra box. So I'm looking to see if they have something like that because my subscription is over this month. I signed up September last year for 12 months and this is my 12th box. So I have to re-sign up again. So I'm thinking I'm going to cancel it so I can see if they got some kind of a code to get something extra before I re-sign up in September. But I will definitely be re-signing up on September 1st because I want that birthday box, and it's usually pretty dang good. Okay, Look Fantastic. Now that I'm 4 minutes into the video, Look Fantastic. It is orange this month. Every month it comes with a little saying inside the box. Sunshine is the best medicine. Well, isn't that the truth? Sunshine is the best medicine, and I don't know some people who can't go outside. They always come with a little pamphlet and a spoiler for next month. September sneak peek, Molten Brown, Orange, and Bergamot Bath and Shower Gel. It is worth £7.30. So all the prices in here are pounds because it's from the UK, which is really good because over in Canada, £7.30 could be like $9 or $10 Canadian. And I know somebody's going to correct me because I always get my numbers off, but It's around there, $9 or $10 Canadian. And this is what it looks like. So it's a shower gel. Celebrate our birthday edition with one of Molton Brown's iconic fragrances. And that's pretty darn good. So it's, again, not going to be a full size, but it's going to be a decent deluxe size, right? So that's a sneak peek. Every single box always comes with an Elle magazine. And I always get ripped off, you know, because some people get a sniffer in here, but I never get a sniffer. Oh, wait, hold on. Did I get a sniffer? No, I didn't. I never get, you know, a perfume smeller. Some people do, but I never do. But it doesn't usually come in a box that often or in the magazine. So who knows? Maybe the birthday month, they might have something in it. But every box comes with an Elle magazine, and that's like $6 or $7 here in Canada. Okay, so the box comes all wrapped. Every month the box is a different color. These boxes are great for storage. We are going to go into the box. I did see a spoiler, but I don't remember what it was because it was a long time ago. Okay, so I'm going to go by one, pull out what's in here. Again, people, $20 Canadian. You cannot go wrong. $16 US. And I think it's even cheaper, well, I guess, I don't know, £10 or something in the UK. And we all get the same boxes. So it's not like Glossy Box where we get a different box in the USA, which I don't get Glossy Box because they suck. But we get the same box here that they get in the UK for Look Fantastic. Very first item I'm pulling out. Look at this. Luxie 737 tapered highlighter brush. This is worth £26.50. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That is just beautiful. I love Luxie brushes. Oh, this is going to be so nice for the highlight. Love it, love it, love it. Blend the desired product over your cheekbone, brow bones, nose, inner corner of your eye for a lit from within look. So again, look at that. Love it. Okay, first item. Second item. Wow, I'm impressed. So second item, we have a Bella Pierre highlighting palette. That is pretty neat. Look at that. So it is the Heat Wave highlighting palette. This is worth £29.99. £29, like almost £30. So I don't know, $33 Canadian. Again, somebody's going to correct me. So really those two items right there, that's $60 Canadian, right? Dust across high points of the face. So it's a highlighter. For a more intense shimmer, spritz your makeup brush with a setting spray. So let's just check out and see Bella Pierre. All right, I can't really see that. Can you? Oh, it's there. A bit of a shim. There's all different colors here. And you know, you can use these as eyeshadows as well. Not really. It's there. The shim is not as shiny as I would have hoped. Like, it's not like an Ofra, you know. It's not a buttery Ofra eyeshadow, but still, or highlighter. I can't even see that. Like, really. It's there, but, you know, there is shim. As I'm looking at my hand, let's just give her a go here. Okay. We're just going to go with the third shade in the middle, okay? This shade right here. We're gonna give it a go and see. And I already have highlight on, so let's go on to chin. So, yeah, okay. It's probably pointless to put highlight over highlight, especially Ofra, because that's what I have on. So, okay. Well, it's Bella Pierre, so, you know, we'll work with it. £30, everybody. Okay, next thing in the box is this James Read 1 Hour Glow Mask Face and Body. It's worth £12.50. Apply your thin layer to a clean, dry skin, to achieve a natural glow in just 30 minutes. So it's a self-tanner. 1 Hour Tan Glow Face Mask. Oh, it's an overnight gradual tan. It's got aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, and algae extract. So you put it on your face and then you wake up in the morning and you have a tan. Okay, so it's like a face tanner mask kind of thing. It is 25 mil. So again, like I said, even though mostly it's deluxe sizes, although these are not deluxe sizes, right? 20 bucks, everybody. So we'll give that a try. And then this is one of my favorite. I must be missing something. No, I'm not. I got it here. Okay, we're going to go with the, ooh, look at this. It is a Natura herb infused sheet mask, and it's £4.95, so like £5. Wear this mask for between 15 to 20 minutes, massaging excess serum into the skin. And it's got blemish control, rebalances complexion, packed with superfood ingredients. It's vegan. This is going to be good. I'm going to get my daughter to wear this because she's having, you know, those pre-maturity pimples happening. So I'm going to get her to try this. And it's packed with a variety of herbs and vitamins. Okay, pretty cool. All right, then we have I seen this in the spoiler and I was like, oh God, another one. So it is our fabulous and famous Douce Luscious Lip Stain in Holiday Getaway. It's worth £11.95. Apply it to lips using a lip liner to define the shape. So we just got this in, I don't know, Luxbox, Top Box last month. It's the exact same one. I'm not going to open it. I don't know what to do with this because, you know, it's a color that a lot of people, I mean, it could be a nice summer color, but we just seen it so much here in Canada. All right. And the last thing in this box, I'm really excited about this, is the Rituals. The Rituals of Holy Body Cream. It's worth £6.90. And you massage it into your skin after showering or bathing. And it's the Ritual of Holy. Color your world with love. Flamingo flower and pink grapefruit. Let's see how it smells. Oh, it smells really pretty. Here, smell it. You know, yeah, okay, smell it. It smells really pretty. I already have skincare on because I have to as soon as I get in the shower, put on lotion. But I like the smell of it. It smells really nice. Okay, that's, like I said, $20 to $21 a month Canadian, $16 in the US. This is a great box. I mean, even if you didn't receive the lipstick, it's an okay kind of color. It's not my color. But, okay, you know, you always get 6 items, so we'll just say that's the extra item, right? Most boxes only give you 5. So we got the Rituals lotion, which is really, really pretty. We got the Douce lip chummy digger. We got the face mask, which is pretty cool. We got the self-tanning face mask. And we got the Bella Pierre highlighting palette, which, oh, I don't know so much about Bella Pierre sometimes. I do have an eyeshadow palette from them that I liked. It worked well. So I'm going to try this. We'll give it a go, you know. Maybe use some setting spray to get that extra shim. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, it's on my chin, though. See? It's there. It's glowing. It's glowing. And we have the Luxie highlighting brush. So that's everything for my $20 to $21 Canadian. Don't forget, everyone, please like this video. Remember, their birthday month is coming up, and it's usually pretty good. We usually get spoilers anyways before the end of August, so if you want to wait until you see the spoilers, but make sure if you're going to get it, sign up on September the 1st, okay? And don't forget to like my video. Don't forget my 1,000 subscriber video. I'm going to leave it right up here in this corner. That's where I'm going to leave it. And also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I make a new video. And I do have a live coming up Sunday, next Sunday. I think it's the 18th. Yes. So don't forget my live. Okay, and my end of the month live. Every Friday at the end of the month, there's a live, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. And I'm going to have a live Sunday, I think it's the 18th, 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Mwah. Love you. Bye. Don't forget about that secret word, everybody.